All right, this is an awesome bang tutorial for you guys. We're parting from over the eyebrows, and then we're going about maybe 2 inches off the hairline here. This will create a nice, really thick, blunt bang. You can see I'm just cutting straight across below the nose. We're gonna get in there, finish off that blunt. Then we're gonna start point cutting just to refine our edge a little bit, refine our line a little bit. Just refine that. And then she ends up looking like Sia. If you guys like her, I love her music. Not going for that today though on the bang. Getting something more, a little more realistic. Now we're just splitting down the middle on the bang. Bring it out, and then bring it down just a little bit. We're going to go a little bit closer to the face. There we go. We're gonna get in here and cut from the inside out. Point cutting. Not going super deep yet. I'm lifting it farther and farther away from the face to create that softness and remove the weight. You can already see we're starting to see through that end a little bit. By the end of this, you're going to be able to see her eyes through the bang, but it's still going to look strong. So you can see when we lift it away from the face and go deep point cutting, it's removing a lot of weight, creating a lot of texture. And we're obviously going to do the exact same technique on the other side. Let me know if this is helpful. Put a comment down in the comments. Let's get a chat going about bangs. It's one of my favorite things here. I love creating a nice curtain bang. If you guys want to check me out online more, I've got a website called rayvoltagebeauty.com. We're finishing off here with channel cutting. And I'm going to do a quick style on them for you guys to see what I would use to style. But you guys can see now, you can see through the bang, but they still look really strong. And then we're just going to kind of do a little 1.25 inch iron and flip up those ends to get a little bit more of that swooshed 70s curtain bang look. Make sure you subscribe and send me comments, and check me out on Instagram too, Ray Voltage Beauty. See you guys then.